Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ramp for corporate spend management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Ramp for corporate spend management, begin by visiting the Ramp website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Ramp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you to the registration form. You will be asked to fill in your company information. Provide the company name, address, and phone number. Ensure all details are accurate to prevent any issues later. Next, enter your personal information, including your name and job title. You may also need to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the required security criteria. Once you have filled in all necessary fields, review the information for accuracy. After confirming your details, click the Create Account button. You may be asked to complete additional identity verification steps. Follow the prompts to verify your identity as needed. Once verified, log in to your new Ramp account. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Take advantage of the onboarding resources provided by Ramp. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or contact customer support. You are now ready to start managing corporate spending with Ramp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.